RS200. Hola amigos, and look at this. Harsha Sai, most detailed, and the blink speed is too fast. Please make a video on how to make the flashing 1 blink per second. Then there's this guy, Vijay Murugan Shivakumar. Nice one. I'm going to do this on my R15 V3. Absolutely hate the bulb indicators on the bike. Kinda ruin the looks. Now I may have a reply for you later on, so please tune into the video. Mehboob Ali, bro, please make a video on how to solve that hyperblinking issue. Please make, bro, I'm your old subscriber. Well, thank you very much, and I'm very honored to know that you really believe in my work. And then a whole different video, and here's the same comment by Harsha Sai. Bro, where's the indicator video, the indicator blink speed video? Please add soon. बहुत रिक्वेस्ट आ रहे हैं, चलो सॉल्व कर देते हैं फाइनली. अब पता है कैसे करना है. Hola amigos, and welcome back to the channel. So after many requests, as you saw earlier, I'm back after a very long time, in fact, with a solution for these hyperblinking indicators. Now what are hyperblinking indicators? Actually, the stock indicators of the NS200 are the usual normal bulb indicators, and I really loved the KTM ones that I've installed right now. But the amount of load that the bulb indicators take is much more than the LED indicators. So what I had to do is just wait to find a better solution. I didn't want to use load resistors, I didn't want to use aftermarket relays, nothing. I just wanted it to be fail safe and company fit. So I took 2 weeks to find a solution, and somehow I got hold of a knowledge. Actually, not knowledge, it was basic common sense. These indicators are there on Dominar and RS400. No bike is available in this market which does not have a light control module. So all I had to do is go to the service center and ask for the light control module of either the RS200 or the D400. Now this is what will solve this hyperblinking issue. So all you have to do is go and ask in the service center to give you the light control module. I don't know if it can focus. Okay, all you have to do is go and ask for the light control module of RS200 or Dominar 400. It will cost you around like what, $400, and this is what it will look like. So in the BS3 modules you won't get this extra wire. This is for the controlling of AHO in the bikes. Now since my bike is a automatic headlight on vehicle, I got this in my module too, and you will get this in Dominar as well as RS200. So make sure you get the BS4 light control modules if you have a BS4 Beast, and if you have a BS3 then all you have to do is ask for the BS3 module. So where does this fit in? First of all, you need to take off the seat. Then open up these nuts right here. Take off the seat, the front seat actually, put it away, and then all you need is a star screwdriver and open up the right panel of your vehicle. The right side panel is where the light control module is hooked in. Excuse me for the dust, it's been raining heavily these days. The day I wash, the next moment it rains, so I'm actually not washing it right now. And since I just got back from the service center, I have a free wash due there. So here you go. If you can see this is the light control module of the NS200. So all you have to do is clip it out, take it off this place, take the new module, clip it right back to the same position. So after holding it to position, it will look something like this. Now this socket, this female gets this male. This female gets this male. The blue one goes to the other female. Now that's fit. Let's do a test check. Indicators. As you can see, the vehicle is on, and the indicator speed is reduced back to 1 blink per second. Easy AF. No resistor, no shouldering, no looking for other relays, just a simple stock RS200 light control module. Now if you think it's because of the hazard light that the blink speed is stable, check this out. I switch off the hazard light switch, and the LED indicators still blink at the same rate. No changes whatsoever. That's the right one. This is the left indicators. Same speed. Now let's get home and I'll answer some questions for you. This is how I solved my hyperblinking issue in my NS200. So NS160 और NS200 का issue ऐसे ही solve होगा BS4 मॉडल का. और अगर आप BS3 गाड़ी यूज़ करते हैं, NS200 और AS200 और AS150 के बारे में बात कर रहा हूँ, if you are using those vehicles, you have to find the light control module of RS200 BS3, not BS4. If you get that, your problem is totally solved. Now as for this guy, Vijay Murugan Shiv Kumar, Vijay Murugan Shiv Kumar, he owns an R15 V3 and he has liked my video very much, and he is thinking of using the same KTM indicators on his vehicle. So buddy, in fact all my buddies, अपाचे यूज़ करने वालों या यामाहा R15 FZS जो भी आप यूज़ कर रहे हो, ओके, अपाचे वालों के लिए आई एम प्रिटी श्योर दैट RR310, if you can get the light control module of RR310, then you, I think, can solve the hyperblinking issue in Apache, the RTR series, the 160, 180 and 200. I'm not sure. I'm not really sure, so don't quote me on that. I'm pretty sure it is solvable using the RR310's light control module. As for the Yamahas, not even a single Yamaha I've seen yet has an LED indicators. So I'm not sure if the interlock module of Bajaj will work on them. So if I find out any time soon, I will be sure to update all of you, all of my subscribers who use the Yamahas or the TVS bikes. Let's see if any day soon this happens, and maybe, who knows. So if you have any more questions, there's a comment section down below. You can drop your questions and I'll promptly answer all of them. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Like my video. It was pretty much good. I did it on users request, and it is the safest and the simplest way out there on YouTube right now. I've seen videos where people are shouldering, putting on load resistors and what not. जब बस 2 क्लिप लगा के काम हो सकता है तो क्यों बेकार का शोल्डर किट लेकर आओ यार. I got you was the simplest way. I took time and I'm very sorry that I could not upload videos for the last 2 weeks, but this is what I was doing. I was researching and the service center near me does not have this module. I had to order one. So this happened there, and yeah, do like the video. It helps me, motivate myself and everything. Share it with your friends who are using KTM indicators instead of the stock indicators that is provided to the company. And yeah, do not forget to subscribe to the channel, guys. I put videos like this all the time. So if you want any of the modifications to be done to your bike and you want to know how it has to be done, leave them down in the comment section, and if possible, I'll try my level best to do it in the simplest way there is. So thank you for watching. See you next time.